We live in a time era where everyone is asking for our attention in one way or another. But at the same time, we're also told to quote unquote be present by so many people around us while we're out being social. Put down your phone, be present, be with the people that you're with. What's interesting about this is that the famous spiritual rock star Eckhart Tolle once said in The Power of Now, realize deeply that the present moment is all there ever is. What does this mean? The fact about the present moment is that it is reality. It's interesting too because we hear people say deconstruct reality. It's not reality that you deconstruct. It's your perception of reality that you deconstruct. And what happens is when you deconstruct your perception of reality, you find out the fact that your perception is distorted, just like everybody else's. This is where the judgments come in. Judgments are unconscious. And what we can see here is that if we deconstruct perception and we see that all of this stuff is false, all these different ideals and ideologies, perspectives, it's all BS. Bullshit. Belief systems. And once you get past that, my friends, you're out of the matrix. You are out of the prison. We are able to see each other for who and what we truly are. And at that point, nothing matters. We recognize the unity between all of us. We are all one in this beautiful world, and there is nothing that can separate us. So step out of the matrix. Step out of perception. Ascend and transcend to reality, into the present moment. And recognize that this is all there ever is. One love between us all. And that's all that matters. Much love, my friends. Peace.